that your baby boy is Lord of all creation.